All right, today we're gonna bring a actual hammer drill, and this one comes included with the actual instructions. They give you one battery, and the battery is a 20 volt and 4 amps. Of course, it's very powerful, very strong, and it actually works for a couple hours if you take it out and you're in the field. But they also included the actual charging station too, and they include a bag where you're able to reside and save this at the end. It has different adjustments in here for the type of cement or actually concrete you're going to be working with. So it has all these, it has a little indentations, if you guys could see. It has no pictures of it, of what kind of scenarios you're going to encounter and you're going to need it for, right? Now, they have this grip here, and it's adjustable here. So you can move it left or right, and this is to actually hold the actual system down. Now, in this case here, the red button, this is actually a really good thing. I like this a lot. This is the reason I love this drill, because this is the depth that you're going to be drilling the actual hole. So instead of running it over through or through the actual wall, you could adjust yourself how deep you want to go through the actual hole. All right, so depends on the size of the screw or the actual system that you're hammering to the wall. Just make sure that you're aware how to use this. All right, now they do have a safety and a reverse, all right, in here, reverse, if you guys can see that, and then the button itself, all right. So reverse off, the safety is the middle, it won't go anywhere, back and forward, that's pretty much it, and then just push of a button, that's it. Now this is gonna really be, if you're gonna be in the high rise, you could actually clip this to your actual belt. If you're one of those people that are going to be hammering somewhere in a tall building or anything, this is perfect. It comes with a little adjustment here, so you can actually hook it up to your belt. Most of the times when people go use the drill hammer, is they use the actual wire and it gets in the way, or the actual place that they're going to drill is pretty far away, and then they take a generator. Well, in this case, you don't have to do none of that. This is perfect. So we'll put it to use, see how well it works. Here's the final product. It's going to be hanging here very tight, secure to the actual brick. All right, we're going to drill the first hole here. This one. All right, so we have our sign set up already on the wall, cement blocks, and this is going to be a perfect way to identify my house. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.